ready with the books? Ready with the books?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just take a recap of yesterday,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
And I'll see
Okay, ma'am.
how much you all know. Close your books. What is the seventh part of speech? Uh, what?
Interjection.
Very good. What is the fifth part of speech?
Adverb.
Adverb.
Adverb. That was the fourth one.
Adjective.
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 Okay,
Adjective.
fine.
Adjective.
10 people don't answer. One or two बहुत हो गया, ठीक है? Define adverb. Define adverb.
Add something to the meaning of an adjective, a verb, or another adverb.
Very good, very good. Yes. Give me the last part of speech.
Preposition.
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 Fine.
Preposition.
One person give the definition. Definition.
Preposition is a word used before a noun or a pronoun.
Yeah. आगे.
A preposition is a word
A
used
preposition.
before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation.
Very good, very good. Okay. I didn't welcome you to Edicraft Academy. Fine. To grammar class. Fine. So now we should be very much well versed with grammar if we want to have good marks in English. Fine. Okay. Well, now can anyone tell me yesterday's kinds of sentences? Kinds of sentences?
Assertive, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory.
Okay. What are the two specific qualities of a sentence? Characteristics.
Subject and object.
Okay. The characteristic qualities of a sentence. You should start with a
Capital letter.
Capital letter and ends with a full stop.
And with a
or
full stop.
or an exclamation mark. It's a very simple thing that you all know it, right? Fine. Okay. Now we go to chapter 2. Just open the chapter 2 in your book also quickly.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay, please tell me what's your doubt.
Ma'am, the question is Chanakya was a man of wisdom.
Okay.
Here, which is the phrase?
A man of wisdom. Of wisdom. Okay.
Ma'am, a man of wisdom or of wisdom?
You can say of wisdom. Okay. Why someone taught you in the class differently?
Yes, ma'am, you yesterday told a man of wisdom. That's why I was
Okay.
confused.
Okay. What's your name, Gali? What's your name?
Shrija.
Shrija. Fine. Okay. Okay. So let's go to second one. So it's a very simple topic. Nouns. Who's this child now? Okay, we have seen that nouns, its definition is person, place, animal, or thing, right? It's a simple definition, and the short one is noun is a naming word, and it includes, as you see, hearing, taste, smell, touch, and all that simple thing, like. And then this beauty, bravery, honesty, truth, sleep, etc. Depth. It is what type of a noun? You know, what type of a noun? Abstract noun.
Adverb. Abstract.
हाँ, वो एडवर्ब में वापस जाना नहीं क्योंकि हम नाउन के बारे में देख रहे हैं. ठीक है माय डियर, क्या नाम है आपका? ओके, वेरी नाइस. जस्ट लुक ओवर हियर. Nouns classified into so many kinds: proper, common, collective, abstract, material, and all that. Fine. Yes. So, what's your name? That boy who spoke just now. What's your name? अभी जो the one who just now answered, na? What's his name?
Bowser Ganesh.
Ganesh, yes. Ganesh, you answered, right? I'm just asking you, you are a boy, right? And now what's your name? Ganesh. So we count that as what type of noun? Proper noun.
Pronoun.
Pronoun? Don't say pronoun, proper noun, okay? It's a proper noun. So any name of particular person, place or thing is proper noun. Fine. You have seen these names over here, Mohan, Italy, Indus and all that. So names of particular persons. Now what's common noun? You're a boy. So now here denoting a class of objects. See, now it is representing a class, meaning a group of objects or things. It is called common noun. Now here the top we saw any particular person, place or thing. कोई खास चीज का जो नाम है उसको proper noun कहते हैं. Common मतलब it is representing the whole class. Okay, desk, table, room, etc. Right? Boy means any boy. Man means anyone. Lion, that is the lion family. Suppose we have a name, so we'll go for that. Okay. Now here this collective. What is collective? It is denoting several persons or things taken together and considered as one whole. One whole group, उसको हम collective नाम कहते हैं. ठीक है. Now jury is a collection of judges. Okay, then committee, members of the ruling committee. Class means it can be any, doesn't mean a class means only of a student, not students. It's a class, means it's a collection of persons. An army, collection of soldiers. So collective noun is regarded as several persons or things taken together as one whole. Fine. Now, abstract noun is very important. It's denoting quality, action or state. Quality मतलब we have the quality of something. गुण. ठीक है. Action मतलब जो action है और state मतलब स्थिति. ठीक है. इसका मतलब हम देखते हैं what is this? We cannot see or touch these things. Okay. Example, goodness, it's a quality. Truth also is quality. Honesty, laughter, you're laughing, this is coming under action. Or sleep is also a state, or you count as death, DEATH. मतलब it is a sthiti, it is a it is thing which you are in which state. Okay, death. Now we go for the material noun. Now material doesn't mean it should be some solid things and all that. See, anything, just for example, see here is written the gold, mud, paper. Paper also is called, right? Silk, rice, all these are coming under material nouns. Okay, so you keep in mind all these types of nouns. When you are going to get an exercise, then you will have all the doubts. Teacher, this is made of this. Can it be coming under material noun? For all this, you need to note it down. I told you yesterday you have to keep a book, a fair book. You're not just, देखो आप लोग, you're not in the college, you just read it, understand, finish. You have to read, understand and write down some things. तो आपके बुक में असाइनमेंट में क्या करोगे? You will write the different kinds of nouns, okay, the definitions, and you will give hardly 2 examples are enough. Okay, now when we go for the exercise, you will forget all that, therefore you need to write. One time writing is equal to 10 times reading. Be careful. Well, here somebody is
Ma'am,
Bolo.
ma'am, clothes will come in material now.
Yes, absolutely. और कौन सा नाउन में आएगा बोलो? और कोई भी नाउन में नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि इट इज मटेरियल, कोई चीज है. ठीक है, इट इज समथिंग मटेरियल. ठीक है, वो व्हेन इट कम्स अंडर we'll be doing the exercise, then you will come to know. Illustrative examples will be there. Fine. Now see, proper, collective, abstract, material. Can you see that? Is there on your screen. At the same time, you should keep your notebooks, textbooks open. Textbook, why? Because you need to underline with the pencil. When you are grammar class, always keep the pencils, pens with you ready. Okay, it can be used as common nouns. All these nouns, and they may be like in plural number, have an article placed before them. Was Rustam, that is a boy's name, was a brave boy. Okay, here we are counting him as a proper noun. Dara Singh was the Rustam of India. See now how it is changed. How the thing is changed. This here is a proper noun, but when it comes up to you want to talk about this person as a Rustam, that is here he is counted as a common noun. Okay, so this is a title given to this person. वहां पर कॉमन नाउन में यूज होगा. ठीक है, वी आर प्राउड ऑफ आवर आर्मी. देखो यहाँ पर कलेक्टिव नाउन है. द आर्मीज वेर ऑर्डर्ड टू retreat. Now here army is counted as a common noun. Here we are proud of our army as a collection. Okay, death keeps no calendar. Very beautiful sentence. See, death keeps no calendar. That is, life is what? Unsteady. Anytime death comes, fine. Now several deaths are reported from the city. Here it is counted as common. Why? Because deaths here they had taken it in the common. That is a common thing which has happened in the city. Take for example corona, right? And now here death here is an abstract noun. As I told you, it is abstract noun is quality, action or state. ये एक स्थिति है, एक परिस्थिति है डेथ का. ठीक है, so it is having no calendar. So very good sentence. Fine. Did you understand? Do you have a doubt of this? Anything?
Ma'am,
बोलो.
No, ma'am.
ma'am, it's
हाँ.
a common noun, so why it starts with a capital letter?
Where? Which one? In
Ma'am, the second,
Rustam.
Dara Singh.
यस यस, यहाँ पर कॉमन नाउन कहाँ है? ये इनका नाम है. ठीक है, मगर ये
No, ma'am,
एक.
Rustam.
हाँ यस यस, मैं कह रही हूँ रुस्तम वॉज अ ब्रेव सोल्जर. देखो ये डिनोट किसको करता है? ब्रेव सोल्जर को डिनोट करता है. क्या? कौन? ये इनका नाम है. यहाँ पर ये प्रॉपर नाउन है, मगर दिस पर्सन इज डिनोटिंग स्ट्रेंथ और वैलर और यू से ब्रेवरी, तब ही वो सोल्जर बनेगा ना. और ये दारा सिंह जो है वो इनके जैसे ब्रेव या तो और से बोल्ड करेजियस होगा. तो ये दारा सिंह एक रुस्तम है. तो वहाँ पर आप लोग कॉमन भले हैं, फिर भी आप कैपिटल में लिखेंगे टू डिनोट ही इज अ ब्रेव पर्सन, टू डिनोट हिज ब्रेवरी. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर आपको ये रखना. सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम ये दूसरा एक सेंटेंस देखते हैं. वी आर स्टडिंग शेक्सपियर, राइट? You all love Shakespeare. Fine. We will say Kalidas is a Shakespeare of India. You know, Kalidas is a Shakespeare of India. Okay. सो ही इज अ शेक्सपियर. वहां पर शेक्सपियर जो नाम है ना वो ही इज, वो कहते हैं ना ही इज immortal, he is the main character, that is शेक्सपियर. बट अगर किसी और को यहाँ पर है ना ये मेटाफर की तरह यूज किया है. दारा सिंह वॉज द रुस्तम ऑफ इंडिया. इट इज अ मेटाफर. ओके, नॉट लाइक. यहाँ पर लाइक नहीं, सिमिली नहीं है, मेटाफर है. जैसे कालिदास वॉज इज अ शेक्सपियर ऑफ इंडिया, यहाँ पर हम इज लगाएंगे क्योंकि दिस इज हिस्टोरिकल प्रेजेंट टेंस. ठीक है, जैसे हम कहेंगे गांधी जी इज द ही इज द लीडर ऑफ द नेशन. ओके, फादर ऑफ द नेशन. गांधी जी इज कहेंगे, ये हिस्टोरिकल प्रेजेंट टेंस है. ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें आपको याद रखना. ठीक है, लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट. इन सम केसेस एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन इज यूज्ड इन द सेंस ऑफ अ कलेक्टिव नाउन. ठीक है, देखते हैं कहाँ पर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. आपको याद है ना एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन? क्वालिटी, एक्शन और स्टेट. ठीक है, हियर इट इज. नाउ यहाँ पर क्या कहते हैं? द यूथ इज कॉल्ड नाउ हियर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ state. You are in what? You are in your childhood when you grow a bit Older, that is, you are going to come to your youth. Youth means tithi. Okay, your state. Youth of the city welcomed, the youth of the city welcomed him. Now, here it is the abstract noun. The manhood of a country is drained by war. Drained means removed. Manhood यहाँ पर abstract noun है, ठीक है. Collective noun is as a subject takes a singular verb as the army is. ये बहुत important है children. Army मतलब collection of soldiers, ठीक है. इसका definition में क्या था? Taken together and spoken as one whole. That is the meaning of collective noun. और यहाँ पर have you seen the verb is used because we are considering it as one whole. Therefore, we will say the army is on its march. We will not say the army are on its march. That is wrong grammatically. Fine. Now, but when it refers to the members of a group, okay, of a group individually, it takes a plural verb. Like the jury were having lunch. Were. Now let us see what it means to say. You will not understand. When it is referring to the members of a group, मतलब ये ग्रुप का एक अगर मेंबर होगा, बहुत सारे हैं, वो लोग खाना खा रहे हैं, ठीक है. It takes a plural verb as the jury were having lunch. वहाँ पर jury मतलब collection of judges मतलब jury, ठीक है. Again we'll read. You're not understanding. Collection of noun, it's a collective noun, takes a singular verb as army is on its march. But when it refers to the members of a group, okay, and individually it takes the plural verb. How? The jury were having lunch. That is the collection of judges. Okay, did you understand? As and when we read ना, थोड़ा और ज़्यादा आगे पढ़ेंगे ना तो आपको बराबर पता लग जाएगा, ठीक है. एक्सरसाइज देखते हैं. Point of the nouns. Sword is made of metal. Okay. Sorry, sword is made of steel. So what you will say? What is
Material noun.
very good. मगर कौन से किसके नीचे हम अंडरलाइन करेंगे?
Steel.
Very good. देखो my dear listen. आप लोग अपने आप को लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू थ्री ऑफ यू अदर थ्री लाइक दैट एक साथ 10 जन बोले ना तो माई ईयर विल ब्रेक, यू नो, ईयर ड्रम विल ब्रेक. सो स्टील इज इट मटेरियल नाउन. Goodness is better than cleverness. कौन सा है मेरे चिल्ड्रन?
Abstract noun.
Abstract noun.
Very
Abstract noun. Abstract noun.
yes. So once
Abstract noun.
abstract noun. और ये कौन सा है? Abstract noun of Q. Abstract noun of what? What is that Q? Q मतलब क्या? Abstract noun of quality. Quality action और state है ना my dear children. कैसे बोल गए? 2 सेकंड पहले हमने पढ़े. So quality action और state यहाँ पर goodness और cleverness quality है, ठीक है. There was no milk in the pot. बोलो
Milk material noun.
Material noun.
Very good. Do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Very good.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
ये तो लिक्विड है तो कौन सा मटेरियल होगा? ये दिस इज अ मटेरियल नाउन. ओके. The class is moving from one room to another. Tell me.
Class.
Common noun.
Collective noun. क्यों collective हम कहेंगे? क्योंकि class.
Because class
Group of.
Yes, group of.
contain many people. So
Very
it will be a class or group. So it is collective noun.
Very good, girlie. What's your name? Girl or boy? Who is that?
Ma'am, girl, Anushka.
Anushka, fine. I also taught one cute Anushka. Okay, the class is moving, so it's a group of children, students. You will not say childrens, you will not say peoples. Be careful, children itself is plural. It is children. And okay, he is cutting potatoes with a knife. He is cutting
I
Knife.
Material noun.
Material noun.
Fine.
Knife
Or
material.
Knife,
or
potato,
potatoes. Catch it. Potatoes
common
is
noun.
very
Potato.
good, very good, very good. Mohan's ring is made of pure gold.
Gold
Gold is
material.
Gold
material.
Gold material noun, Mohan
Common.
proper noun.
Very good. Mohan proper noun and ring.
Gold
Ring
material noun.
common noun.
Ring
Very
common
good.
noun.
Very good.
Ring common.
Very good. Very good. You have understood. Ahmed is a boy of versatile genius.
Ahmed proper
Ahmed is
noun.
common
Ahmed
noun.
proper noun.
Proper
Boy.
noun.
Common noun.
Yes. Genius means what is genius? Genius is cleverness.
Abstract noun.
Very good. Who is the
Abstract.
Noun.
who is the first boy who answered?
Dhruv, ma'am. Dhruv.
Dhruv. Fine, fine, fine. Very good. You have understood now.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please tell me, my dear.
Ma'am, in third number, milk is material noun.
Absolutely. Third number. Who is this child who asked me?
Ma'am, Shrija. But ma'am, it should be common noun, no?
This is a doubt. It's a common noun or material noun. If we go back to that page, 1 minute, we go back to that first page, fine. Okay. Common noun denoting class of object as table, mill, chair, boy. Okay, you were telling it's material. You're saying it's common noun.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's see this. Denoting substance with things made up. Example: gold, mud, papers, silk, rice. So it comes under material noun, not under common noun. Okay. Now, afterwards we'll discuss more in regarding to it. All this curd, milk, all such things coming under material noun. Yet we will have a particular discussion of those doubtful things. Don't worry, but it comes under material noun. Fine.
But ma'am, once this sentence came in exam and I wrote collective noun,
Okay.
sorry, material noun, then ma'am give it wrong.
Oh, teacher, this one Shrija is talking now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine. So, and what did she say? She said it common noun.
Yes, ma'am. She said like that.
Okay, then we'll discuss regarding this particular thing because I had discussed with a group of teachers even previously. Fine, we will talk regarding it later. Fine. So this comes because the rise also comes in the material noun as you have seen. Fine. Okay, now let's see the exercise number 2. Yes, please tell me who is that girl?
Ma'am, Prachi.
Prachi, what's your question, my dear?
Ma'am, in fifth number, potatoes will not come as a material noun instead of knife.
Instead of knife, knife, yes, knife
Yes,
is a
ma'am.
common. Here, this is material noun. Potatoes also can come as material. What did we say? Common noun. Common
Yes,
noun.
ma'am.
It's a vegetable, so it comes under common noun. Common noun, yes, it comes under common noun. What doubt did you have? What did you have the doubt? It is vegetables, right? Vegetables, so it
Yes,
comes
ma'am.
under common noun. If you are given a particular name for a thing, for example, let's see dogs, right? Dog. But if the dog has a name, then it comes under the proper noun, right? Okay. Let's go further. This one, okay, here. We'll as and when we go along in the exercise, na, then you will come to know more. Pick out the nouns from the following and classify them. Okay, in this you have to make 5 columns. ठीक है बच्चे, in your notebook. नोटबुक में फटाफट 5 कॉलम्स बना दो. पेपर पेंसिल और फिर रूलर वो स्केल वेल वगैरह होना चाहिए. ठीक है. जैसे नेम प्लेस एनिमल थिंग खेलते हैं ना वैसे. देखो अब यू विल आंसर इन टूज और थ्रीज. एक साथ बोलोगे ना टीचर का कान ना पड़ेगा पार्टी जैसे द कान ईयर ड्रम, राइट. मोहन इज प्रॉपर. कारपेंटर. कारपेंटर इज
Common.
Common.
वेरी गुड. दो बच्चे एक साथ. ओके. मेक्स गुड फर्नीचर. फर्नीचर.
Material.
Material noun.
Material noun.
Good.
Material noun.
Okay, good. From teak wood. Teak.
Material.
Yes, wood.
Material noun.
Material.
Okay, okay, 10 बच्चे एक साथ में. He has tools to do various jobs. Tools?
Material noun.
Good, good.
Common noun.
Material. Material noun.
Okay,
Common
okay,
noun.
okay. Listen. Now here what happens? You all are getting confused. It's common or material, right? It will come in the material noun. Tools. It is made up of say iron. Some tools also made of plastic, right? Okay, various jobs. These are made of.
Common plastic should be material noun. It should be a common noun, no?
No, they will come in the material now. Now you people are having a bit doubts and all as and when we go on through the because these are exercises. जब हम illustrative examples देखेंगे ना बच्चे, then you will come to know because it's what is it classified into different. Let's see that now. Brass also here is a metal, right? Yes, and iron.
Material noun.
Good,
Material
good.
noun.
Yes, fine craftsmanship.
Material noun.
Craftsmanship का मतलब क्या है? He is having the skill.
Abstract.
Very good, very good. Abstract noun, fine, fine. Yes,
Abstract.
what? Yes, बहुत सारे बच्चे एक साथ नहीं बात करेंगे. ठीक है, what is craftsmanship? That is the skill. ठीक है, आपका जो कला है ना, that is called craftsmanship. Is rarely seen nowadays. Fine craftsmanship because sometimes multitasker we say no, right? Okay, is rarely seen. Rare matlab very less. But Mohan is a man of honesty. Here proper noun.
Proper noun.
Man.
Abstract.
Proper noun.
And abstract noun.
Honesty. Abstract. Man is
Common noun.
very good, very
Common
good.
noun.
एक साथ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 3 बच्चे बोलेंगे. Don't all of you will speak now, then it's very difficult. And tries to do his best in his work. Okay. Number of here is just a common noun. Okay, it's work. It's a work. You're doing some work. Okay, that is a noun also. Okay, I told you when we go to the illustrative examples आपको और अच्छा समझ में आएगा. Exercise 3 में बहुत simple है, देखो. Now collective nouns used to describe a number of collection of things. Write down the collective noun. ठीक है. A collection of soldiers is called
Army.
very good. Ships.
Army.
Ships.
Fleet.
Very good, very good. वो कौन सी लड़की? First girl. Who is the first girl? Shrija.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. I think this girl is studying very nicely. Okay, auction. Yeah, we'll say like collection of animals only, right? Particular thing, it's animals. We'll see. Then sailors. Sailors is a crew. Lion is, lion.
Pride.
Animal.
Pride.
Yes, very good. Is it Shrija?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good girl, very good girl. Pride. Why should we say pride? Because really, it's. Wait, I just admit this child. Yes. You're doing good. Pride of lions. Birds.
Flock.
Flock of birds. Yes. People.
Crowd.
Crowd. Fine.
Crowd.
And the, yes, the persons who are coming to make blunder, something harassment and all. You know what we call angry people's group is called. Very good. Is it Shrija?
Manasvi.
Okay, fine. Crowd, right? Robbers.
Gang.
Okay,
Gang.
good.
Gang.
Yes. Students.
Class.
Very good. You all came to
Ma'am?
know. Yes, tell me, children, what's your name? Who's that girl asking?
Prachi.
Prachi. Tell me, Prachi, what happened?
Ma'am, instead of robbers in our textbook, it's given musicians.
Oh, like that? Uh-huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, so no
And ma'am,
problem.
instead of oxen, it's given cattle.
Cattle. Ah,
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
yeah, cattle.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, then this group of oxen, we
Yes,
say
ma'am.
it's cattle. They have put the wrong thing here. In your book, they should have printed oxen. देखो हम देखते हैं कि oxen, then we say we'll say this cow and sheep and buffalo, all these are called really cattle. ये उसका ग्रुप में आता है, मतलब वो cattle जो है ना, that is the correct word. They have misprinted it as that. And ठीक है, so no problem, so there we will have cattle, and this one oxen is under cattle. Collection of collective noun describe what? Pack of
Cards.
Cards.
और दूसरा,
Biscuit.
you have studied English grammar, you know it better. Pack of wolves भी कहते हैं, ठीक है. Bundle of,
Six.
okay fine. Books also is there. Heap of
Stones.
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 Okay fine. Stock of, stock
Books.
of, okay, stock of,
Apple.
नहीं नहीं, stock of grain we can say. Fine. Flock of
Ship.
Sheep.
Ship.
ship ship or shwp.
SHEEP.
Ship, yes. Okay
Ma'am,
fine.
birds will not come.
Flock of birds. Flock of birds. That flock of sheep. Okay. Yes. Flock of birds, flock of sheep, fleet of sheep. Yes. Flight of.
Birds.
Mm. You know, we even have flight of steps. Steps जो है ना, steps. This also we call. कौन है ये? आवाज कौन कर रहा है बीच में? ठीक है. Gang of
Robbers.
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 Yes. Bunch of,
Rubber.
Banana.
Banana.
or what another one, fruit is, no, not that fruit, which is green and purple in color. Your mom brings it, you like it. Yeah, grapes. Very good. Fine. Now let's see these abstract nouns from the following adjectives. Broad, breadth, ठीक है. Long, length.
Height.
Wide,
Width.
width. Very good. High, height.
Height.
Deep,
Depth.
depth. Very good. Lazy,
Laziness.
good. Brave,
Bravery.
bravery. Very good. Bravery. Active,
Activity.
activity. Action. Abstract action. Activity is coming in the verb. Activity. What type of activity? Noun also it can be. Yeah, fine. Vain, vanity. What is vain? You know, vanity. What is vain? You know, vain मतलब nothing. वो मैथ्स में पढ़ा है ना, नल सेट पढ़ा है ना आप लोग. ये नल
Yes,
सेट,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
वही नल सेट है ये. वैनिटी मतलब यूजलेस, निकम्मा जो कहते हैं ना, वो वेन है. प्राउड,
Pride.
वेरी गुड. स्वीट,
Sweetness.
यस. बिटर,
Bitterness.
ओके. सार,
Sadness.
गुड.
Goodness.
Goodness.
विकेड,
Wickedness.
गुड. प्योर,
Purity.
yes. Only two बच्चा told the correct answer. Purity. ठीक है. True,
Truth.
Truth.
very good. False,
Wrong.
Falsehood.
falsehood. This is only Shrija's voice, right? Shrija
Yes,
बोलो.
ma'am.
Very good. I can recognize your voice now. Yours very calm and quiet. Good, Shrija. Falsehood. Okay. All of you take part. I think so. Some are not speaking out anything. आप लोग सारे को पार्टिसिपेट करना है, ठीक है. ठीक है, आगे देखते
Okay, ma'am.
हैं. Yes, who is that boy who said okay?
Kausar Ganesh.
Ganesh. Okay. Now see, abstract nouns from the following common nouns. Mother.
Motherhood.
Motherhood.
Very good. Parent.
Parenthood.
Parenthood.
Very good. Priest. भूल गए? You are turning the pages to see. Priesthood. Boy. Boyhood. Man.
Manhood.
Very good. Captain.
Captainship.
Captainship. Captainship. Professor. What do you
Professorship.
Yes. Professorship. Then idiot. What is idiot?
Idiotic.
Idiotic. Fine. Rascal. Yes, rascal. It is rascal C. Okay. Infant.
Infantry.
Yes. Infancy. Beggar.
Beggarhood.
Very good. Rogue. What is rogue then? You know who's a rogue? For knowing this now, first you should know who is the person. Rogue means a wicked man. Okay. The child is coming after that half of the class is done. Who is this boy? Jane Lashika. Come quickly, Gali. Okay, come early, my dear. Fine. Thief.
Thief.
Theft. We'll keep that later, but rogue is.
Joker.
No. Rogue is a wicked man. Rogue is a bad man. We'll keep that there, okay? Yes, rogue. From abstract nouns from the following form, abstract nouns from the following verbs. Freeze.
Freedom.
See.
Sight.
Sight. Protect.
Protection.
Judge.
Judgment.
Judgment. Live. No, live.
Livelihood.
Very easy.
Livelihood.
Live means life. Life. Okay. Seize.
livelihood,
नहीं, livelihood अलग हो जाएगा पूरा. Seize. Caesar. SEIZURE. Caesar. Okay, ये seize का मतलब क्या जानते हो आप लोग? Seize means to
Stop.
hold. नहीं, to hold. Seize this properly. Pursue means to go after. Pursuance. Punish.
punishment,
Receival. Okay. Flattery.
Flattened.
नहीं, flattery. अच्छा, ये flatter का मतलब क्या है मुझे बताओ?
buttering,
Yes. Put butter over bread को flatter कहते हैं. See, you remember the story of the the fox and the crow? You're looking so beautiful. Your voice is so nice. Will you sing a song? And what happens? The piece of cheese falls down. So the fox was flattering the crow. Abuse.
Abusive.
Okay, abusiveness भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. Okay.
Movement.
Movement. Yes. Correct.
Correction.
Abusive speech. Abusive. Yes.
In new book, we have laughs.
What you have?
Ma'am, instead of abuse, it's laugh.
So no problem. Laughter. LAUGH है ना? LAGHTER मतलब laughter. It is coming in the abstract noun. Fine, no problem. Because your books might be little changed and then they might have changed some words. No problem at all. Yes. Now it's very beautiful. The next one is gender. These nouns, it's really you can work as a game. Very beautiful. Gender. Okay. Masculine, feminine, neuter, common. Okay. And these are the four common genders: males, masculine, like Rajan, man, horse; females, feminine, with all the feminine ones. See, Draupadi, Noor Jahan, woman. Cow. Cow also comes in feminine. Okay, if cow comes in feminine, what will come in masculine? Previous.
Buffalo.
Woman.
Buffalo.
Buffalo नहीं, ox.
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 Ox, fine, ठीक है. Names of things without life are neuter. Okay, so this neuter is neither male nor female, and common is either male or female. ये difference है. Common में है ना, either male या female. Like for example, teacher, student, friend.
Friend.
Yes,
Doctor.
yes, good. House, chair, stone. What is this? This is neuter. Neuter means neither male nor female, and it is coming in inanimate thing. Okay, which is not. Yes, you can see in the next one. Male. See either. Yes, who is that boy who is shouting? Be careful. Noun that denotes either a male or a female is said to be common gender. Okay, as we know, yes, all of you with very low voice, इतना जोर से चिल्लाना नहीं. I don't need to, revise this. You just speak of this: friend,
Friend.
parent,
Friend. Parent.
pupil,
Pupil. Pupil. Child.
Scissors.
Child.
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 Servant. Servant.
Servant.
Servant.
Thief.
Thief.
Relation.
Relation.
Cousin.
Cousin.
Orphan.
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 Student.
Student.
Labor.
Labor.
Cat.
Cat. Cat.
Elephant. Mouse.
Okay, my dear, आप लोग मजाक समझते हो ना? इतना मजाक करते हो. You have to go little slowly and be somewhat serious. See, now this is denoting either the male or the female. इतना मजाक करोगे तो वो मजाक खेल हो जाएगा and you will not be serious. Be careful, my dear. Okay, now यहाँ पर note देखो, बहुत important है. All material and abstract nouns and collective nouns are all lifeless things. ठीक है. द लोअर एनिमल्स, ये बहुत ध्यान रखना है. लोअर एनिमल्स एंड वेरी स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन, वेरी यंग चिल्ड्रन, इसको हम इन्फेंट कहते हैं. या तो द फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ इज नियोनेट, आपको पता अगर होगा. सो वील कॉल देम एज इट. Okay, children are generally used in neuter matlab, now they are not lifeless. You don't have that thing in your mind. They are considered as neuter gender. Doesn't mean that they are lifeless, but as they are very small, we consider them as it. This child is coming to the end of it. Vishika, Giri, what has happened? Okay, so did you understand? We don't consider them lifeless, but it is coming in the lower grade. That means we will consider it. Okay, so that you have to keep in mind. Objects associated with strength, violence, etc. are regarded as male. Okay, fine. This, even in Hindi, Gujarati, Sanskrit, ये सारे subjects में भी, these are all counted in the male. For example, sun, right? So yes, it is denoting strength. Winter, then where is this gone? Summer, time, then death. Where it is gone? Okay, these are all considered as what? See, strength, violence regarded as males. Okay, this is denoting strength, denoting strength. It can also, okay, violence, no, fine, if it is very cold winter. Summer, here strength, it goes violent when it is too hot. Time also, sometimes death is also violent. Okay, objects associated with beauty and gentleness are similarly regarded as female. ठीक है, ये याद रखना है आपको. Beauty, gentleness, like moon. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks her way in the silver shoe. ये एक पोइट्री का लाइन है. Now बच्चे लोग का मन में ना और एक क्वेश्चन खड़ा होगा कि पीछे चंदा मामा दूर के, वो मामा है था ना मैम, वो कहाँ का फीमेल कहाँ का हुआ. ठीक है, हिंदी में शायद उसको चंदा मामा कहेंगे, बट इन इंग्लिश वी इवन इन द संस्कृत नो वी इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज फेमिनाइन. ओके. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks her way in the silver shoon. H-E-R, her. H-E-R, her. The earth, also we say Mother Earth. ठीक है. Spring season of beauty. याद है आपको? Nature, also beautiful. Liberty, gentleness, okay. Hope, charity. ठीक है. देन पीस, ये सारे चीजें कौन कौन सा इसमें आएगा? ऑब्जेक्ट्स, व्हाट इज दैट? इन
Feminine.
फेमिनाइन, ये सारे क्वालिटीज हैं. ठीक है. यस. अ शिप इज ऑलवेज स्पोकन ऑफ एज शी. अ ट्रेन इन अ कंट्री समटाइम्स आल्सो. Okay, so she is giving a ship. So it is giving space, it is providing space, it helps. So having the motherly quality. Fine. Here also here. India is a motherland country. है कि नहीं? So like that. Okay. So all these you have to keep in mind here when it comes to exercise, no, then you will have all the doubts. So keep this all in mind. Feminine is a form. Yes. Okay, by using an entirely different word. Yeah, bachelor, maiden, before marriage, a girl, spinster who doesn't get married, that is a lady. Then here a bachelor. These are opposites. Board, so. Board is an animal. So here is a female. Okay, boy, girl, brother, sister. Buck, doe. This is the deer. Buck, doe. Doe, a deer, a female deer. Okay, that is doe, feminine. Buck is the opposite, that is a deer, male deer. We are not generally counting is as feminine or masculine. We just calling deer, D-E-E-R. By mistake, इसको DEAR को DER मत लिखो. ठीक है, by mistake. Okay, bull, ox, cow, heifer. This is feminine. See, bull and ox, bullock and young cow. What is? Then cock and hen. Peacock, peahen. Feminine को peahen कहेंगे. Colt, filly. This is of the horse. Colt, baby. Okay. So this is regarding that. Fine. Yes. Then we go to the next. Yeah. Now what is this question saying? Comprehensive grammar, that is this one. Okay, dog, bitch. Okay. Duck, drain. Okay. Now instead of my saying very quietly, I mean very low voice, can you all say, because this is just a revision of it. You should understand dog is a male and then the female. Yes. Say the first one. Dog. Drake.
Duck.
Drone.
Bee.
B. Mother. Mother.
Mother.
Okay, stop. Stop.
Mama. Eve. Madam. Daughter.
Fine. Stop. I just want to tell you, just point out to you something. Just see this duck. Okay. The feminine is duck and masculine drake. Remember this. Bee. We simply say bee. But yes, this is drone. Father, mother. Goose is gander. Okay, gentleman, lady. Yes, this also is a kind of deer. Hart, hind. Okay, horse, mare. Okay, this is okay. It's fine. Go to the next. This ram. We say RAM ram. ram मत बोलो यहाँ पर RAM. ram is a he goat. he goat, GOAT मतलब ram, okay, ram मत बोलो,
Ram actually.
ram goat, okay. This was in Shakespeare no, in that Fleece, Golden Fleece, उसमें ये आया था, ठीक है. Sir, madam, find
Ram.
out a
Cherry soup.
stag. Yes, this again is a deer here, doe deer. Yes, stag, uncle aunt, wizard witch. वो हम कहेंगे ना like गुजराती में डाकण कहवाय છે वगैरह. ठीक है, let's see the. I just want to. We're stopping over here. Wizard and witch. Just want to see the next page. Number 2A, adding termination as EWS, etc. So we are in this chapter, the next lecture. Okay, my dear children, please read and come. Grammar is fun. Okay, so you will write down. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.